This is the luxurious, all-electric Genesis GV60. Bluetooth wireless technology allows your smartphone to connect to your Genesis for a variety of wireless features. To register a new mobile device to your GV60, ensure your vehicle is in park. Turn on your mobile phone and also the Bluetooth feature. On the home screen of your vehicle, press the phone button or press the Bluetooth call button on your steering wheel. Go back to your mobile device and select the vehicle name as it appears on a list of Bluetooth networks available within range. Check the passkey and approve the registration on the device. It may also request permission for the vehicle to access your contacts, call history, and messages. Allow or deny at your own preference. However, keep in mind it may be better to allow these permissions for a mere seamless integrated experience. The GV60 allows up to 6 Bluetooth devices to be registered, although only 2 Bluetooth devices or 1 Bluetooth hands-free device may be active. If you wish to pair multiple devices with the vehicle via Bluetooth, you will need to register them separately. Start by selecting Setup, then Device Connections, then Add. Select the vehicle name on your mobile device and repeat the registration process. When using the Genesis Intelligent Assistant mobile app, various control features are available, such as locking doors, unlocking doors, and remote start. To download, start by searching for Genesis Intelligent Assistant in the Apple iOS or Google Play Android app stores. Note that an active Genesis Connected Services subscription is required to log in and access the Intelligent Assistant app. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.